I used to think strength meant never falling apart. But the storm taught me something different. Strength is not in avoiding the breaking, it is in finding yourself after you have been broken into pieces. There were moments during the storm when I felt lost, like everything I once believed in had been shaken. I did not recognize myself. I did not understand the pain I was carrying. But slowly, something began to change. Not at once, not loudly, and not in a way the world could see. It was quiet. I started choosing to wake up again, to breathe again, to pray again. And in these small, almost invisible decisions, strength was being rebuilt inside me. The storm did not leave me empty. It left me stronger, wiser, and close to God than I had ever been before. Yes.